I'll use my pen so you can see. Hi guys, how are you guys? I just posted a video. You guys better like it. Man. Okay, answer this one. Like I'm answering. He's answering some assignments. He's our little advanced boy. I'm also answering assignments, but I decided, you know, bagay kami ni Kuya Lino. Kapatid ko yan, be. He's younger than me. Like my brother talaga. Hi, Andre. He's answering. He's answering assignments. Wag yung ano. Don't touch me. Gusto ba ako? I feel like it's been so long since last nag-live. Eh. Sorry, the angle is so bad, pero I'm just holding my phone. JYP, sino yan? James Charles. James Charles. Oh my god, I used to watch James Charles when I was younger. Saan ka? I'm actually at the mall. At the cafe. I'm not gonna say. Baka... Mm. Pampanga ng fiesta. Oh, I did. Yeah, I did pala this year. And we might go to Zambales. Is it Olongapo? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure sa yung mga places and whatever. But Olongapo, we might go there ngayong fiesta daw nila December 30. I might go there with Matthew. Laguna, yeah. I've been to Laguna. Alis ka this week. Where I'm staying here. Red shoulder bag. Fashion Nova din yun actually. My boots were from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna post it actually tomorrow so that meron din siya sa TikTok. I didn't post it on TikTok muna because I wanted to post the everything na what do you call this? I wanted to post everything like sales nila muna and stuff so you guys are aware of the sales also. Oh my god, may taping ako bukas. Ah, guys, you have to watch Widow's War ha. May ML kayo, no, I don't play ML. Bisaya, oo. Ba't ka nag-headset? Trip ko. Bakit? Bawal? Oh yeah, I have a new lip balm. Carmex. You're really good at your lips. Bias and Eugene's. I forgot the name. I think Daniel? I forgot, sorry. Bryce kasi, Lee, they got me into Eugene's dance. I kind of like have them all over my TikTok. But, minsan lang, I listen to them minsan. When you have pasok, I'm homeschooled, remember? Kasi na-advance happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zia! I love you. Okay. Music? I'm not listening to music right now kasi, syempre, I'm on live. But give it to me. Give me your book. Give me your book. I'll correct it. Kala ko paste. No, it's not a lipstick. It's just like a lip balm. I'll show you. It's just clear, like a clear lip balm. Like wala siyang kulay. See? Miss. I'm gonna put that back inside. There. Wait. I'm homeschooled, so I don't have school. I'm doing assignments though. Child, wait, I'll use my pen. Correct it. Honestly, guys, song recommendation. Right now, I've been listening to Ray, the girl who sang Oscar. But yeah, really good singers. Lip, sa Shellfish. It's still Shellfish, I think.
This one is hard.
Man, it's okay. African Canary women. Yeah. Geese, it's goose. Swine. Swine, I think that's swan. Swine is a group. I think it's a group of swans. Guys, am I correct? Is swine a group of swans? I just know geese. Geese is a group of goose. What's a goose? Like ducks.
A big duck.
It's like a big duck, yeah.
A big
Aircraft.
juicy duck.
Correct. Aircraft. Reindeer, reindeer. Wow,
I got
Andre.
reminder.
That's his reminder? No, that's it's reindeer.
It looks like
Oh, so it's wrong.
reminder.
It's wrong. Okay, find something else to answer. Plural tenses, yeah. He's doing the plural and not plural. That's grade 3, but he wants to do it din naman eh. So, I'm teaching him na lang. Here, this one. I want you to do this one, Andre. Read the story, and then you answer the questions. Go. Naging teacher na ako. Part-time artista, part-time content creator, part-time teacher. I love it. GAP. What's GAP? No, I don't know what that is. I study at Milan Heart. It's a school sa CDO. Wait, my necklace wants to fall off. Wala na bang scene si James over the shore? Hindi ko sure actually. Basta, I know that there's scenes for me and Ward soon. I don't wanna spoil! I don't wanna spoil you guys. I don't wanna spoil, but there are scenes for like me and Ward coming soon. And me and Miss Lovely, of course, always. Me and Sirton, which is my dad, si Daddy Galvan. We have scenes coming soon. Pang-harvest na sa with more story at sa pang kasi pang-harvest, uy, mauli kay CDO. No. So sad kasi may schedules ako in between Christmas tsaka New Year. Pero sige lang. I'm okay naman. Gusto ko naman magtrabaho muna and then siguro babalik ako ng CDO pag walang work talaga and like talagang free na kami lahat. Kasi ayaw ko kasi umuwi ng CDO na super bitin or may iniisip pa ako dito sa Manila. Gusto ko pag uwi ng CDO, wala akong iniisip like my mind is blank, my mind is sabaw, ganong levels. So, molik ng CDO, basin Holy Week, basin matong kami game. Manglaag ko. Gusto ko jet ski or something. Kahit akong lingaw in life. Kapag kung kayo mo, sige, tagtrabaho no, tapos wala kayo lingaw-lingaw in life. Maglingaw-lingaw ka. You know? Wala po ko'y kauban maglingaw-lingaw. So, mama na ako, friends. Ay, wala ko'y friends. Ayaw mag-uban og lingaw-lingaw. Pero ang paabay sila, Mark Oliveros ba? Nilingaw ka sa saya ha. I wish pwede rin kita sundin sa airport. Sana. It's okay. My tita will definitely pick me up. Read the story. You're not confused. You're just not reading it properly. Read the story. Answer the question. That's it. Maglingaw lang siya. Murag magkita siguro sa akong friends na taga CDO. Basta mag-golf. Labas, do you guys know Pebby? Who are the characters in the story? Who is it about? Is it a mom? Is it a dad? Is it a boy? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? My friend who plays golf in CDO. I kind of want to see him and ask if I can play golf. That's what I might lingaw-lingaw later. Or later, next year. Sana. Bisaya mo, mama? Oo. Hi, Zoe! Hi, Zoe! Nagkaon na ka? Wala pa. Wala ikaw, unay, guys. That's for the week. For the week. Do you miss Ashley? Of course. Tagal na namin na nagkita. Parang every time we have plans na gala, wala siya. Busy siya. Actually, I don't know. Basta like last time I asked her out, parang she didn't come. And then I asked her out another time. She didn't come. I was like, okay. Maybe, you know, maybe when she's not busy or something. Or I don't know. But we'll see her sometime soon. Haba ulit sa gilong. Diyan na kasi sa live. Maminaw ka. Ate, say my name again. Kiss you, ate. What's your name, babe? Put your name in the, you know. Kato dyan nag-harvest ng lettuce. Mag-lettuce na food ko na dito. Gusto ko. Kasi naman akong plano mo. Ulit ko mag-harvest na po may mga lettuce. Shout out. Hi. Are you okay with friends? Who? Mag-shooting ko, di ba? Kaya sunod sa LCC siya. Ano ng LCC? Ate na kay Roblox? No, I deleted it. I deleted my Roblox. Are you in Bali? No. I wish I was. I don't have money for Bali, bro. Oh my god, somebody asked me to join their live. Fans since 2022. Real people. But if you're a fan since 2021, oh my god, hit me up. If you have like an old video of me from 2021, hit me up or something. Nalito ako sa Lily Cream Hurricane. Friends kami. You're done? What about this one? Did you answer that one? I want you to answer that one also. Hey, okay. That one also. Last one, please. This one also, please. And then I'll let you use the tablet. Come on. No? No, if you're gonna be like that, not gonna let you use it anymore. Be nice. I really like you. Thanks, babe. I like me too. Not really. Sometimes, no. How about the mall? Oh my God, si Antonio! Invite natin. Join ka, Anton. Hey!
Uy! Uy!
Oh my God, Idol! Kamusta?
Idol, idol, idol.
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Oh, that's nice.
Wait,
Where
wait,
are
wait.
you? On cam, on cam, bro.
Hey!
Oh, nag-taping ka?
Yeah.
Sorry, sorry. Wala akong taping ngayon, bugos na eh. Wow, gago! Nagsusot ka talaga. Saan na si Kuya TV? Ah, nakapause siya. I wanna get in Batang Reelers, man. Like, ano tawag dito? Okay, we'll wait for him for a little while. Pag wala siya, remove him. Duh. I wanna like guess sa Batang Reelers, like kahit anong role. G ako, bro.
Wait lang, wait
Nagmura
lang.
ka eh. Di ako nagmura. That wasn't mura. That was stupid lang. Ah, wala na siya. Okay lang yan siya. Tao lang din naman si Anton. Next na yata si Jun. Yun nga eh, nasasat pala. Tapos nag-join siya bigla. Sharky, hi Maya. Invite you know na. If they join my level, invite them. But if I'll still invite Anton, I'll still invite you. And then if you're free lang, go. If not, don't na. Mag-spoil ka sa Venus War. Well nga, sabi ko, madami kaming scenes nila, Miss Love tsaka ni Ward. Ni Ward. Wait, nagtitake kami. Yan pala, ba't nag-join? Leave ka na. Go, Anton, kaya mo yan. Support kita. From kilometers away. Si Kuya Ro, ikaw ba yan? Of course, ako lang to. Oh, Lord. Sorry, di na mamansin. Okay. Okay. Wala, si Anton kasi wala eh. Sorry. Hi, Fear Princess Lucky. Danica, hi! And my day is okay. I'm sorry if I haven't replied in so long. It's been super busy, man. Matthew's there. Hi, Matt. Wait, let's invite him. If he joins, then what a nice. If not, then bahala siya. Favorite noisy song? Um, wait. Beautiful Stranger. Definitely one. Oh my god, guys. I have the Leve tote bag right now in the flesh. I'll show you guys. Wait, how do I show you guys? Here, here, here. Look at that. Official merch sent by Neve. And like she sent me a poster of her then that's signed. I was so cause you guys know like I got noticed a few times by Leve already. And their team, like her team reached out to me and they sent me like stuff. Andre, come here. Coolest cast sa cast ng Venezuela. I saw Miss Carmina recently, so I'm gonna say she's not cast though. She's like a guest star. She's one of the coolest. Miss Bean is definitely one of the coolest also. Two characters. You only put one. You put two. Two characters. You only put one. Yeah, two characters. GC and IG. Ah, yeah. Coffee and bread review? Wala. I only got a drink, like a strawberry lemon drink.
Oh, what's that for?
Okay, Carlos and it's a Carabao, not a cow. Only one correct. Which one is wrong? Oh, I'll get my pen. I'll correct it. Ano po lahi mo? Scottish.
What?
Subjects ni Andre. How many subjects do you have?
Huh?
How many subjects do you have?
How about the book? Subject.
How many subjects do you have?
I don't know.
Why were the cows crying? Oh, there's cows pala. Sorry. Okay. Why were the cows crying?
Because they go to the market. Because the market.
They're gonna be sold in the market.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. What could Carlos Master be doing at this time? What is Carlos Master doing at this time?
He didn't ask permission.
No, what could be Carlos Master doing this time? Wait lang, guys. It's wrong. Anyways, Carlos Pitarba worked hard in the field every day. How would you describe hardworking? Like, one day, how many hours in the grass and he wondered what they were doing? Saying, are you sure? You supposed to the answers are all field enders. That's wrong. Without asking permission for his life, Carlos went with the other cows. That's disrespectful, not surprise. Arrange these words in alphabetical order, write 8 to 11 on the lines. You did not answer it correctly. So that's what you get, because you're just rushing. Napapagalitan ko muna siya. You're just rushing. Answer one more, and then I'll let you use the tab. I'm so ate right now. What the fork? Andre kasi gusto niya maglaro agad. Sabi ko, no, you're not allowed to laro. You have to do something first. Like, answer your assignments. Ano tayo dito sa yan? Output pala. I was studying my script then. Because I'm taking tomorrow. So, you know. Ba't nasa'yo ang gas mask? Keep watching, I guess. No, not I guess. You guys have to keep watching to like find out talaga what's gonna happen sa Palacios family. It's gonna get scary. Scary? Not really scary, but like it's gonna get more intense. It's pretty random, honestly. Hindi ko expect din. Ano po lahi mo? I'm Scottish, basically British. Hi, Krisha. Nakamaad to. Wala. Dili na sa. Pipili mo. Aurora or Barbara? Ay, Barbara. I think Barbara is nicer. Tita Jean is scary. I mean, not Tita Jean in general, but Aurora, which is Tita Aurora. She's scary, bro. Bye po. Bye-bye. Okay. Bisa de ka, oh. Hello, attorney. Sino si attorney? Pa-basis ka, te? No. Bahala kayo, eh. Basis this, basis that. No. Wala akong pera. Gusto ko Invisalign. Diba, pumili pa siya. Gusto ko Invisalign, not basis. Kung wala, kung may mag-sponsor sa akin, sige, I'll go get. Beanie or Blackpink? Beanie. Ang traffic ko. Kasi naintindihan ko pa yung songs nila. Huwag mag-brace, hindi recommended ng dentist. Diba, I mean, I'd get it if I have money. Or like, libre. But pag hindi, no. Si Vivian at chismosa tumutuwa sa paghuli ng pamilya niya. Yun nga eh. Di ako aware sa mga ginagawa niya. Bigla na lang may ganun siya, may ganito. Mom, hello, what's happening? May hapon guys. What inspired you to live? I don't know. I'm just looking at the comments now. Wala lang eh, trip lang eh. No, taping, next year pa kami natapos sa Widows actually. So, you're not actually gonna see a long dates. You guys want ano? Do you guys want spoilers? My script is right here. Like, nasa bag ko siya. No? Script ko to. Don't mind my chocolate, but script ko to. Sorry, no, I'm not gonna do that. Mahilig ka sa chocolate, yeah. Buti hindi ka nagmana kay Joey ng chismosa. Nature versus nurture, guys. You should nature for me. Ah, Charis, but I love Miss Lovely. Miss Lovely is so sweet, guys. Like, sa role niya, sa Widow's War, yeah, she's like mean and she's masa and whatever. But in real life, she's so chill. She'll just randomly have like chocolate for us. I love chocolate, so she randomly gets me chocolate sometimes on the set. She has like sweets on the set. It's super nice. Good luck, guys. Good luck sa exam. Oh my god, it's exams na ba? First quarter pa ako. I mean, I'm gonna be second quarter na. May exams na din ako soon. Oh, uy, display up ako. Nakakasar kasi, remember this line? Yun nga eh. May sweet tooth ka pala, yeah. But it's like seasonal. Sometimes like, kaya kong hindi talaga kakain ng sweets and like chips and whatever for weeks. And then sometimes din, parang I need to have a bit of something. Hi, Aliyah! Ate Aliyah ko. Ba't ako ng pangalan din? Hi, Nicole! Nakalive po si Ate Liana. Really? Hindi ko makita. I didn't notice. Maybe we both went live but at the same time. I really love your outfits on Widow's War. Actually, some of my outfits on Widow's War, akin talaga. Like, me and my stylist kasi sa Widows, we're like really close, we're friends. And we've like decided na we'd share our wardrobe. So, all of the shoes are mine. Sometimes lang talaga nasa kanya. And sometimes the skirts and the top, you know, the teddy bear top. You saw that in my videos. That was mine. Some of the outfits I made for videos, sometimes I bring it on the set so that we could use it. And later na naman, I'm gonna get a few outfits din para dadalhin ko sa set bukas. Picture sa pendant. Ano pendant? I don't have a pendant. I wish I had one of those. Like, super ganda. Kailangan kay ate siya si Kaino og Santino, pati kay ate Tats. Of course, uy, GCFCDO, love them. Super besties ko yan sila, pero I had to move to Manila. Nakita kami nung last year December, nung umuwi ako, I stayed at their place for a while and whatever. I miss them so much. I was working with Sam. Sam, Miss Bea, he's lovely. He's super sweet. Ate, papayag ka ba pag ikaw pala ang anak ni Aurora at Orly? Oh, papayag din naman, pero pero syempre hindi kaya kasi you know, hindi kaya. So, dagas BBB sunod. Kung pwede ko, ignan ko sa GMM, sulod ko. Masulod ako gawas dayon. Naktok ramang padali ra. Ate mo, Mohaira? Yeah, of course, I know her. Next meet and greet, we might go to Zambales. I think that's like going Bataan din. Olongo po, something. I think it's Fiesta? I forgot, I'm sorry, but sinabi lang sa akin kanina na baka daw sa this December, like end of December. So, you know, like, ba maka-glossy sa una ba? Oo, gilingon ako glossy. Wala lang ko naka-add to. Tita Flor, wala siya busy. She's busy right now. Blush reviews. One. Squad is some good blush actually. Long lasting naman. Even sa set, that's what I look like. I mean, look like? That's what I use. Like, that's what it looks like. You know what I mean? Kabalo biya, ako biya si Vera. Vera, should familiar ang name na Vera, but, you know, haven't been to CBO or like stayed in CBO for so long now. It's crazy. Kaya sa headset mo, currently, Faye Webster, Ray, you know the girl who sang the Escapism, the season and season of sitting on it. The two goes that, and then Token Summer. A little concert, that girl, Ray, Faye Webster. Of course, my Christian music. Love, love, love Christian music. Um, who else? Luciang, Daniel Caesar, yung mga ganun ng content. But not all the time, just sometimes. Siyempre yung how would you feel it? Thanks guys. Where's Clifford? I don't know man. Clifford's busy in life. It's my Bisaya friend. We like Bisaya lang. Happy, happy, happy sa Sunday school class. Oh! Ate Happy, si Happy. I remember Happy. Nag-debut yata siya sa CDO. Pero, di ako naka-join kasi I was in Manila. Oh my god, that's super tagal niya. I don't remember na. But I know we used to go to Sunday school together with Happy. My color reveal, wala. This is my natural hair. Well, we colored my brother's hair last night, pero it's still super dark. Are you gonna answer that? Read the words with a consonant L, then followed by a short vowel sound. Don't answer. Find something else. Just one more, Andre. I'm actually at Starbucks because I wanted to just sit down somewhere. So I brought Andre with me. And na-bored ako looking at my phone trying to answer my assignments. And nasakit siya sa ulo, so I decided mag-live. Hello, Ate. Hi. I feel like most of you guys are at school pa or something. Sino po ka-close sa Widows War? At saka, di po pupunta po kayo sa Jambal General, yung fiesta sa Pampanga. Hi, yeah. I did go. Sino ka-close ko? It's gonna be funny, but si Rico, yung staff, Ricky May, si Miss Lovely, si Miss Timmy, I love Miss Timmy. Me and Miss Timmy are so close. Miss Timmy is Mercy, mommy Miss Bea on Solidas War. Me and Miss Timmy are close. And Kuya Royce and Ward, especially Ward, we go out sometimes. Read it. Also, guess what? I'm shy. I'm shy. I'm shy to multitask and like add people. I mean, unless I know them, like so Anton. I do it with like Anton and like someone Bryce, Lee, Winona, you know. But somebody else, I'm shy. And hindi ko ulit sa IG. I posted a TikTok kanina lang. Yung wait, who just joined? Parang kilala ko yata yun eh. Baka nag-leave na siya agad. I just saw a familiar name ba eh? Parang idol ko yata yun, mas nawala. Anyways, what if you're the king? Baka. We don't know. Don't be shy, please. That's hard. What the Sigma? What the Sigma, guys? Is that invisible? No. I just use this side a lot. I don't know. Actually, I have dimple also here. There. And then like one somewhere here, I think. Was it? Basta like I have a dimple like going down here when I smile. So I forgot where it is, but I had it. It's only seen in terms of pics. You miss May? Yeah, I do. May is so sweet, man. You have more Montemayor. Yes. Ka-manager ko siya. We're the same manager, by the way. Me, May, yung more same manager. Hi, Sophia. Nakita ko po kasi sa IK. I wanna go back to IK with Kaylee and Selena. Selena's in Korea right now. Galing mo mag-acting. Thank you. We're trying our best pa rin. Hindi ko pa super kaya. How to be pretty like you. Mana sa mommy lang. Guys, go to my mom. Ask her. May back to 1% go. Oh my god. Anyways, I go to Pakistan. Yeah, I saw her last month. I think she was like her cousin was there and our neighbors. So like she visited her cousin and we were walking down the street and I saw her. So I like just saw my mom saw her and then I ran from the mall. Because I live close to a mall. I ran from the mall going to the street just to see her. It was cute. I told her Mondo. Then I'm going to pag gymming. I haven't been gymming in so long actually. I mean, I go there ano tawag dito? I go there service to Widow when I ride the van go to Widow whatever. The Conyo actually, I'm only Conyo sa Tagalog guys, pero pag Bisaya, din hindi ko Conyo. Hmm. Mm, Andre. Minecraft kids. Jimmy. Hi, Charles. Here. Hi, Charles. Wala si Charles. Come here. Sige, sorry for staying and sleeping in Wilson. Oh my god, my first day in Wilson, I was super tense. Like, I couldn't handle it. Like, I wanted to just go home na. But, tinuloy ko pa rin kasi, you know, um, my first day of taping was actually Basil's funeral agad. Like, that crazy. Basil's funeral kami agad. Like, I wasn't expecting that. Kasi syempre, you guys know that it's a long story pa before Basil dies. But my first taping was Basil's funeral. And I wasn't expecting that. I was scared to death or something. Especially the next taping after. I was so kinakabahan kasi I felt like I couldn't do it anymore. But tumuloy ko pa rin. Like, just keep moving, just keep going. And now I'm okay. I'm more comfy. Mas happy ako kasi I have experience na and everything. Dinamit ako. Of course, I met pa ako. Because we had the tapings and stuff. Actually, no. I did meet him though, but we never had a scene together talaga. But we were together on set. You know what I mean? He's a very nice person. Ako, Kuya Basil is super sweet. Alam mo, sa first, si Kuya Basil, hindi niya ako pinakausap talaga. Like, di sa characters namin. Ganun din in real life, be. Parang mag-hello lang ako, tapos gagawin lang siya. Or ngiti lang, tapos hindi siya mag-hello sa akin. Ayun, parang, hindi niya ako kinakausap because I felt so small when I was with him. Kaya, medyo yung sa acting, medyo naging gusto ko talaga siya kasi I felt so small talaga when I was with him. Pero, he told me after that he did it now for his character, para maging mas authentic yung relationship namin. And then, parang doon ako nag-settle down and realize na like yung pala lahat. Like, I really thought he just didn't like me or whatever. He liked me pala. It's just, he did it for his character. And then after that, nung wala na kaming scene, he became nicer. Tapos nag-hello na siya sa akin. Nagkwentuhan na kami ng konti and everything. And you saw like the gym me and Ward went to. That's Kuya Bastos. He owns it. And yeah, it was so nice. I was working with Miss Jean person. Really nice. Kinakabahan ako oo kasi it's Miss Jean. Miss Jean Garcia. Like, hello. Pero they're nice, bro. Everyone on the set is nice. Like, walang tapon. Like, sila lahat mabait. Sila lahat magaling. Tinutulungan nila kami. Kasi, we have these a lot sometimes. And no, it's just heartwarming. Magulo ko sa yung kanta sa Christmas song. Kanta na apa. Wala, unta. I'm not sure kung nandiyan ako, but so sweet. TikTok with this day, she says yes, so I don't know, I'm too shy. Guys, honestly, I get so shy on set. Like, you guys see me as an introvert or whatever. No, pero pagdating sa set, wala na talaga din. Seriously, Renat. Okay, you give me a set. Pagdating sa set, wala na talaga din. Like, hindi ko kaya. Anyways, what time? I'm gonna continue my assignment. Thanks, Andrew. Hello. Pakit sa ilong. Makakipon, dili ko. I can see us in here. See? I guess. But I'm not an introvert eh. That's what's pissing me off. Hindi ako introvert like. Kaya ko naman makapag-socialize and everything. But when it comes to people that I have really high respect to, that's where I get like really shaky and everything. Kasi actually hindi ako nahihiya sa set kila like circle, like sin. Basta like, hindi ako masyado nahihiya. Hindi ako na-pressure pagkasama ko sila Miss Jean. I feel respect to them, but I wasn't like shy talaga or like nagtatense. Shy na, pero I wasn't tense or like stressed or like super pressured. But when it comes to a director, especially like Direct Zig, kasi our first show pagkatapos Direct Zig is award-winning director, bro. Award-winning director, has done amazing projects. I was pressured. I couldn't do it. I was so tense. Basta hindi ko kinaya. Yes? How many pieces do you have? Just two. Was there a cat fight coming and you just wanted to get involved? I don't know. Keep watching. Thank you. That's really good. I can go live more. What's this? What's the problem?
No, done.
You just follow this, okay? One of five. That's wrong. Oh my god, why so many gifts, bro? Thank you. Palagi ka shadow ban. Yeah, right now, shadow ban ako. Kasi I've been super busy. Hindi ako nakapag-post kanina na maayos. Mabilis siya kasi picture. Press the button. Do it with that. You brush your teeth every day. Good morning.
Not again.
Thank you.
One
Oh my God.
more.
Wait, there's two more. It's part of that. Answer it.
Okay.
Come on. Why is this giving me so many things? Thank you, Jay. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. Love you, Ate. I love you more. Oh my God. How you manage your time in school and work? I don't. Sorry. I'm joking. It's hard, guys. Like, this is my schoolwork. Like, you know that TikTok thing where you have like the dividers and everything? That's my schoolwork. Tapos yung iba, hindi ko pa na-print. And there was a time na I had a break, a little tiny break from middle school. I wasn't there for 2 tapings. I was so sick. I couldn't get up. Like, I had like, wala akong taping ng 2 days. I was so sick those 2 days, I couldn't get up. Like, I had to get a checkup and everything. And it was insane. So, in this, gagamitin ko yung oras na yun para mag-assignments or to do other things, you know, to go out to the mall, to go grocery shopping. Hindi, be. Nasa bahay lang ako. May lagnat. You know what I mean? Crazy. Anyways, yeah. What time is it now? Oh my god, my manager texted. Rakan, forever, thank you. Look at that. When is James gonna appear in the reply again? I'm not sure that. But if Perfect is real good too, I think he's gonna be there. And Robert, extended na po ba ang Widow's War? Dapat kasi hindi na daw nag-extend. Extended ang Widow's War. Super laban ang Widow's War ngayon. I feel like trying to grab. Gusto mo bang masampal ni Julius? Nasampal ako ni Miss Lovely. Pero hindi siya like, super malakas. Parang ginamit nilang photos. Parang ang galing nga kasi one take na pineke namin. Wala ko eh. Sino na this? Never can skip you as round the fire. Drop. That's supposed to be. Oh, that's okay. Drop. Good, Andre. Thanks, Andre. Look at the last tablet. You can use it now. Hey. I'm so happy. I'm not going to use this tablet. Oh, Anton's here. Oh, what's up? We'll invite him. Baka pala. Baka pala tapos na siya mag-take. Ang bilis naman ng take niyo pag ganun, no? Ano hindi ganun? Jerma, Maya, thanks, Sarah. ang anak ko, nilot ko mo sa'yo. Pag-practice yun, good. Doon ko palagi nag-skate. Sa street. Sa street. I kind of wanna go like skating in BGC or something. Or, I don't know. I heard there's like a skate park in Tagaytay, but I'm not gonna go all the way to Tagaytay. I live here in Manila. And I'm like, I'm not gonna say it long way. But I live here in Manila, so I wanna go all the way to Tagaytay just to skate park. Long time no live. I know, right? That is really different, of course. She's my babe. My bestie. I love that girl. Please no girl. What do you make that face? I can do it, man. Please don't cry. You like put your nose bad here. Kaya, for Ibang Music Charlie, I'm planning to. Actually wrote a song na Bisaya. Pero, I haven't finished it. And like, basta, I feel like you're gonna like it more. So let's do this. Here's Bisaya. The 60 people in my live right now, you guys Bisaya. If you're Bisaya, then you're gonna like this song. Definitely. If you're not Bisaya, sorry na lang. Ano na I should, basta? You like Chilenos. I don't know what Chilenos are. I was a good pop tart. Sorry, pop mart. Pop mart. Pop mart pala yun. Sorry guys. Pop tarts. Pop tarts are okay. Okay now. They're sweet, they're doughy. They're too doughy for me. Bisaya ng music, yeah. Bisaya ng music, ba? It's so lamig in the singing and the lamig in the in everything and the hearing. Just, I love it. Hi, Ate Charlie, you're so pretty. Thank you. Mwah. Hey, Samantha. Happy American Day. No. Look at lashes, guys. Parang, you're different now. Anyways, I should probably end live. I should finish my assignment. Look at Andre. Playing Minecraft with the mic while wearing a Minecraft hoodie. Andre, Andre, smile. Oh, it's cute. Nakaboots ka. May boots right now actually. Or pang turkey, manimong na kung may pang turkey. Kauno na turkey or turkey na play. Ay, doon naman si Anton. Ano ba, mag-join ka hindi? Hindi na-join or not? So, invite pa rin natin, baka pala. Ay, watching video with Kingston. Pag-side view ka, baka mas si Jordan. Oh, I get that a lot. Kahit sa set, parang sinasabi pa rin sa akin sa set na medyo kamukha ko si Miss Carla. Hindi ako naniniwala kasi si Miss Carla, she looks like an angel. She looks like she's painted, honestly. She's so pretty. Affected ako sa mga actions ko sa as well. Thank you very much. Especially sa coming scenes, guys. Please watch it. Please watch it, guys. They're so good. Like, oh, if you're not like, I don't think these scenes are coming out like this week or baka next week. I think next week pa, they're gonna be more interesting. Just keep watching. Pero gusto mong kilay, thanks guys. I did them today. Medyo manifest yung kilay ko, but I just brushed it up na lang. Dala ko sa Ixon. Kuno na kayo? Said you. That's it. My hair is still wet. Anyways, what time is it? Guys, mag-end na lang ako eh. Antonio Binson, kung nandyan ka, ewan ko sa'yo. At sana nag-take kayo, hindi ka nanonood ng live. Work is work, guys. Dapat, do you guys want me and like a sponge party team to go live again? Like me or like Josh Or like Marco or Bryce. Bryce, I think I think it's Bryce online. Soon. And like V, Bryce. Guys, it's ew, look at my nails. V, Bryce, Anton, Josh, Winona, Sana. We try to get on live. Sana to get Selena on it also. But like live for me that way, like it was the chill. It was so fun. I was just asking them like random questions, but it was fun. It was cute. Magkapay ka rin ako mag Actually, mag ko karon. Maulat ang guys. Bye, thank you. Punta ka Australia soon. My husband is there. My husband? No, I just want to go to Australia. Hey guys, love y'all. I just forgot my outfits, but bahala kayo. Bag, sweatpants, top, hoodie, and then red boots. Bye guys, love y'all. Yeah. Andre, wait, I'll say Andre's here. I'll let Andre say bye. Andre, say bye. You show, like, you wave. Say bye-bye. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys. My husband.